Canned craft beer is exploding in the United States. In this video, we'll show you how Econocorp is helping craft brewers meet their end-of-the-line packaging needs. The first and simplest machine in the Econocorp craft beer range is our twin seal. This machine simply requires the operator to erect the carton by hand, place it in the loading position, and slide the cans of beer from the loading shelf into the erected carton. Once loaded, the operator just needs to tuck in the trailing dust flaps and push the carton forward into the sealing unit where it is applied with hot melt adhesive and compressed shut. It can also be integrated with a choke-fed belt conveyor, which would allow multiple operators to place loaded cartons onto the belt for increased speeds. The next machine in our line is our fully automatic E-System 2000. This machine comes with a multi-lane belt conveyor that accepts the cans of beer from upstream and puts them in the correct loading pattern. As the cans enter the staging area, they are collated on the elevator plate into the proper pack pattern and lifted to the loading station where an overhead pneumatic infeed transfers the cans into the waiting carton, which has been erected from the magazine via a vacuum arm arrangement. The loaded case is then fed forward, applied with hot melt adhesive, and compressed shut just as it is with the twin seal. The lanes in the machine are fully adjustable, which allows it to handle 4 through 12 packs of both 12-ounce and 16-ounce cans at speeds of up to 15 cartons per minute. If faster speeds are required, then we offer our fully automatic Spartan Cartoner. The advantage of this machine is that it can run at speeds of up to 35 cartons per minute and has the ability to handle larger cases, up to a 24-pack of 12-ounce cans. The Spartan is fully adjustable just like the E-System 2000, but instead of the cartons being lifted through the compression chamber, they are moved forward by the leading and trailing flights of the chain of the machine to the sealing and compression stations and then discharged straight out the back. Both the E-System 2000 and Spartan can be offered in manual load versions if full automation is not required by the brewery. In this video, you can see an operator transferring 4 cans of beer off the guide shelf and into an erected carton on the Spartan machine. The final speed achieved would be operator dependent. Econocorp also offers our Spartan wraparound machine, which forms shipping trays around cases of beer at speeds of up to 25 trays per minute. Once in position, the case is transferred into the waiting tray via an overhead pivot infeed. Once 2 cases have been loaded, the machine indexes forward and another tray blank is erected. As the tray moves through the machine, it is applied with hot melt adhesive from a Norton extruding unit, and the sides are bent up and compressed together before being discharged out the back of the machine. If complete automation is not required by the brewer, then the Econocorp tray former can be used to form open-top glue or rollover locking trays at speeds of up to 25 trays